Well, my wife and I still have power, and the internet cable is still on the ground, still attached to the house, way over there, and we still have internet. But we had to shovel the rest of the road because from this point on, all the way to where my wife is, was not plowed at all. I don't know why they didn't come down here at least once with the plow. But yeah, I have to go to work at 2 o'clock, and so we just barely got this cleared in time. It was pretty tough though. We had to park our car over here just so it's easier for me to go, but just barely enough room for our car to go through.